This message I'm going to share with you will change your life and shift your perspective for you to awaken to your own truth. If you apply the message that I'm about to share for you today, or just listen if it resonates with you, just know it's really going to shift who you are and how you think, to the point all the beliefs that you had about yourself would literally dissolve in an instant. What up, what up, what up, awakened ones? Welcome to another episode on the Love of Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, my name is Brittany. What I do is I assist people to awakening to their power to find the infinite love within. Got a little boo-boo today, but anywho, if you're watching this video, already smack that like button and subscribe to this channel, since I share metaphysical, spiritual, and self-development content. But until then, you guys, also follow me on Instagram. You know, the link will be up there, the little ad button. But also, let's just jump right into this. This message had awakened me today to the point I literally shift my perspective immediately. And I believe that this message is going to change your life. Now let's get right into it. It's time to make a decision, you guys. What do I mean by that? It's time to literally be as if. Be who you desire and want to be. Just be it right now. What I mean by making a decision, you got to make a decision now to understand that everything that you want can happen for you in an instant. Everything you've been asking for can literally be allowed into your reality right here, right now. And you know what I learned today? That's so amazing. I learned from my mentor. Is that we should stop believing in ourselves. Because even in the word believe, it says lie. Majority of us are told to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. We've been believing in ourselves so much that the beliefs that we've been having since as a child have been limiting us to not really allow ourselves to just be who we want to be. Now is the time to make a decision. Who are you going to embody the frequency of? Is it going to be you that you feel that you already are as the future to be right here? Are you going to wake up every day and make a decision that you're going to choose to be happy? That you're going to choose to live in the new vibration of what you want? For example, say you want to move to a new state. Like if you're from the cold and you want to move down south. Start embodying it. Start living out. Start being as if, not acting as if. Start being as if, like, oh, it's hot here. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying the saltwater smell. I'm enjoying the breeze of the hot air heading onto me. I'm just enjoying the new vibe. Really embodying the frequency of being in that new place. Embody the fact of the new home that you want. Embody the body that you want. Embody the new frequency of love that you so desire to have. Start connecting with that soulmate that you desire to have. Start connecting it from within. Start being it now. Start feeling that love. Start feeling that joy. Start feeling that upliftment that you want to feel when you do have it. Start being as if that you already have it. That's what I'm saying. Make the decision today that you're going to shift your perspective. That you're going to believe in what you want to believe rather than believe in what you've been told to believe. Because understand this. Majority of us have these beliefs that we live by that are literally old beliefs from our parents. It's like old garbage, bruh. It's time to throw that out and start creating what it is you want for your life. Majority of us are living in ways that our parents lived and what they believe and how they think. But we never decide to act for ourselves. We never decide to be ourselves. This is why majority of people are miserable. Because we're living in a state, in a mindset where we're consistently just doing the same routine. Do you know that having a job and doing everything the same way, the way that it is now, it's a new millennium? That was created back in the 60s. That was created back in the 50s. It's time to wake up and start living for you. It's 2019. What do you want? Are you going to say that one day. One day. What about right now? The day is now. Begin right now. You know, we learn so much about a law of attraction, and we desire so much to attract everything we want in our lives. But here's the reason why people can't manifest the things that they want. Is because they're not making the deliberate decision to have it right here, right now. They're not acting as if. They're not being as if. They're not embodying the feeling of having it right now. That's how things manifest into your life. Majority of people don't even visualize or plan out what they want next in their life. That's why they're so bored. You know why people are bored? Is because they keep thinking of the same thing and not switching it up, not changing it out. I don't get bored. I get productive. There's a huge difference in that. Boredom is you saying there's nothing new, there's nothing else I can do. Do you know that your imagination is so powerful that you can create the next month for your life? You can create the next day for your life. It's all about understanding what decision are you going to make every single day you're going to wake up. You know, majority of us live in poverty because we can consistently think of poverty. We consistently complain. We consistently think we lack money. We consistently think we only live paycheck to paycheck. We consistently think money goes so quick once we get paid and we don't have enough money to do what we love. We live in that poverty mindset. The first thing people do when they wake up, I don't want to go to this job. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. When you could wake up and make a decision every single damn day, you could wake up and say, you know what? I'm going to feel like I have $50,000 right now. How does that feel? Oh, it feels so good to have that. Oh, it feels so good to the fact that I anonymously received this money. Oh, it feels so good that I feel secure. It feels good that I care about how I feel right now rather than how I feel in the future. Because your happiness is the only thing you can take control of in this present moment. It's not when you receive that thing. It's not when you get there. It's about right here, right now. You gotta make the decision that you're gonna wake up every day and you're gonna be who the hell you want to be, regardless of how your peripheral vision tells you. Because understand this, our reality is our reality by what we perceive it to be. I'm gonna say that again. Our reality is our reality the way we perceive it to be. Understand this, you have two eyes to perceive, you have one eye to see. What do I mean by that? Like I said, we're divine spiritual beings. We have unlimited potential. We have two eyes to see the reality. We have two eyes to perceive how we think our reality is, but we have one eye to really see how we want reality to be. Ooh. So you have to make a decision every single day. Who the fuck am I going to be right now? Am I going to be that dream? Am I going to be that passion? Am I going to feel that excitement now? You could have everything you want right here, right now. You could be everything you want right now. And you could do everything you want right now. The imagination is the most powerfulest thing in the world, not money. Oh, imagination is the most powerfulest thing. How do you think majority of things we have in this world is created? It was created by imagination. That's how it became possible. You have to make the decision that you know everything is possible for you by living it out right now, by being as if. Start doubting how you used to perceive your reality to be, and start being how you want your reality to be. There's a huge difference in that. I started doubting my beliefs that my parents told me. I started doubting that I'm not in poverty. I switched my doubting to the good things and to the things that just do not serve me anymore. Now I'm living in a state of the vision that I have for my future. I'm living it out right now. My passion is one of them. It's doing these videos. You guys, you can be everything you have. You have the assistance. You have the resources. You have everything you want right here, right now. You just got to make the choice to be who you want to be. And when you make the choice, you guys, know this. The universe will shift in your favor to assist you in creating the reality that you really feel. that is truly yours. That's how vibration works. Vibration works by being as if, and that's how things manifest into your life. And that's how the universe assists you to making that happen. Because know this, the universe is not against you. It's you against you. The universe just gives back what you emit. So the world's not against you. It's just you against you. So you gotta wake up and know that you are the creator of your life. But you gotta shift your frequency by making the decision. And that's how things work in your favor. Trust me. I've been through it. And now I'm learning. And now I know. But that was my message for today. I know this shifted my perspective. And I know it shifted yours. So I'm very, very grateful that it did. And I'm very glad that I shared this message. So if you guys did like this video and my content, like this video. Also subscribe to this channel for more upliftment for your self-development. Also hit that bell button so you can get instant notifications every single day from me. And follow me on Instagram where I just go all out. I'm just wanting to serve the best version of you that you deserve to be. Until then, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. With bliss and love, I adore you.